Friends, in this video we will discuss 17 advanced tips for digital marketing on Facebook. After seeing this video, you will be able to optimize your Facebook and generate thousands of leads in 1 month. You will be able to run successful ad campaigns and you will be able to drive more traffic to your products or services. Hi, I'm Seema Gupta, Professor of Digital Marketing and also an author and a blogger. Number one, some basic things, friends, you need to keep in mind. So get your basics right, make your page attractive, speed up your response time, work on your content, and choose a category for your business page. Number two tip, using your Instagram as a secret weapon. Now, being an Instagram user, posting the images directly on Facebook will compromise your engagement rate. So do not post directly, friends, but post them through your Instagram account. So your engagement will increase by around 23%. Third tip, try to work on look-alike audiences. Now in this, you will be targeting a particular type of audience for your business growth. You can create multiple types of look-alike, but the best ways are to create event-based look-alike. For example, people who attended an event, or people who watched 50% of your video, or who filled a lead form, or who bought from you. Fourth tip, use audience insights. It's one of the great tools, and friends, very few marketers are even aware of it. Now from this tool, you can understand your audience's demographic, what age, what gender, what location they belong to, what pages they follow, what are their interests, what are their activities. Now this information will help you sharpen your targeting even more and increase your return on investment. Fifth tip, friends, is putting videos directly on Facebook. So friends, post native videos. Do not make the mistake of putting the link of YouTube, because Facebook will limit the reach of links which are of outside the Facebook platform. Sixth tip, crowdsource. You must have heard of crowdfunding. In this, large number of people raise the capital for a company. Now you will make decisions based on your crowd's opinion. So it allows you to interact with audience and know their likes and dislikes. Seventh tip, don't post more than 130 characters. Now, if you can't describe your product or thoughts within the half page, you don't understand it well. So try to keep it short and to the point. Eighth tip, time. People use social media at a particular time, and if you post at that time, you will get a better response and you will see an increase in traffic. Ninth tip, create a Facebook group. Now your group will be used for discussions and recommendations, which will again help you to redesign your product. 10th tip, Facebook Marketplace. If you have a product-based business, then you can set up your shop on Facebook Marketplace. All the products get listed on the separate shop tab on your profile. 11th tip is call to action button on Facebook. CTA buttons, they are used to guide the users towards your brand or your website. And average CTR on Facebook is 0.9%. And CTA button can increase the rate by almost 3 times. So basically, friends, they help your customers to contact you through Facebook Messenger or email or website or by contact number. So they help them to shop or book a service. 12th tip, Facebook Ad Library. Facebook provides transparency by offering a great collection of ads running on Facebook and Instagram. This helps you to find a good ad for your product by comparing the ads of similar products. This tool is a favorite of mine and I use it all the time to check out on competitors' ads and draw inspiration. It consists of data for both active and inactive ads and even for different issues, even like politics. 13th tip, pin your best post. Now over some time, your timeline would be full of posts. So you need to make sure that when a new visitor comes to your page, he or she can see the best of the best post on your timeline. So, for example, if you post a video and you got a very good response in terms of like, share, and sales, now you can pin that post because since that post has already worked for you in the past, chances are that it will impress even the new audience. 14 tip, posting questions. Well, I know friends, neither you are playing Kaun Banega Crorepati or you are Amitabh Bachchan. But questions are a really good way to make a conversation with your audience. 15 tip, don't just post links. Now, there is nothing wrong, friends, with linking your product, but it is always better that you write something good, post a nice caption, post pictures, and then finally link your product. Because you are not there on Facebook to only just sell, but you are on Facebook to connect with your audience. 16 tip, experiment with new ad formats. हेमा रेखा जया और सुषमा सबकी पसंद निरमा. You must have heard about this ad because it's an excellent piece of marketing. It is very different and almost everyone has heard that song. Now you need something new for your audience and you never know what may work. So experiment with ads from time to time. Just because a year ago something worked, it doesn't mean it will work today also. Facebook gives you flexibility to try new features and new techniques, so don't be afraid of failure. 17 tip, use test and learn. You can use this by going to Ads Manager tool and select test and learn in the measure and report column. After that, you can choose 2 campaigns that you want to compare and draw inferences for future action. Now, let us quickly summarize all the tips that we learned. Number 1, get the basics right. 2, using Instagram as your secret weapon. 3, try to work on lookalike audiences. 4th, audience insight. 5th, put videos directly on Facebook. 6th, crowdsource. 7th, don't post more than 130 characters. 8th, timing is everything. 9th, create a Facebook group. 10th, Facebook marketplace. 11th, call to action button. 12th, Facebook ad library. 13th, pin your best post. 14th, posting questions. 15th, don't just post links. 16th, experiment with new ad formats. And 17th, use test and learn. If you found this video useful, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Do comment what is the next video you want me to make. Thank you for watching.